Hello everyone, Nick from Wild Wonder Learning here, and welcome to lesson number 10, all about sharks. These are some of my favorite creatures, absolutely. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, even though some of them have got big teeth and can be quite scary looking, I love them. I think they're fantastic. There are around 500 species of sharks in the world. That's amazing that we have 500 different kinds of sharks in the world. They are found around the globe in every single one of the Earth's oceans. Okay, so sharks, because they're also found everywhere, they are apex predators, right? We know that sharks are carnivores. We know that they like to hunt and eat other creatures. So they are apex predators and a very, very important part of the ecosystem. In 2024, in case you were wondering, there were only 47 recorded unprovoked shark attacks in the world, and only 4 of those were fatal. So imagine how many people swim in the ocean every year. Millions. Only 4 people died from shark attacks in 2024. So we don't have to be scared of them. It happens so seldom that anyone is attacked by a shark, and most of the time, those attacks are not fatal. Okay, around 100 million sharks, though, are killed by people every year due to fishing. 100 million every year. So we do far more damage to sharks than they do to us. Let's go. Here's a bit of shark trivia for you. Which kinds of sharks each have a unique pattern on their body, just like we have unique fingerprints? Do you know? What kind of sharks will have a unique pattern on their body, just like humans have unique fingerprints? I hope you guessed this one correctly. The whale shark has a unique pattern on its body. This allows scientists and researchers to identify individuals when they are studying them. So scientists will know where they are, who they are, how very quickly they're growing, how long they live, where they migrate to, because they can study them all over the world and they know exactly who is who in the shark zoo. Next trivia question is, a what shark can jump 3 meters up to 10 feet out of the water to catch its prey. Have you seen anything on TV before about jumping sharks? I certainly have. Yes, we're talking about the great white shark, and it can leap out of the water as it's attacking its prey from below. Picture a seal swimming along the surface. What does a shark do? Ambushes it from below and tries to grab it. And just the speed that it comes launches it clear of the water, like in this picture. Isn't that fantastic? That must be so exciting to see. The next shark trivia question is, the largest shark, the whale shark, is also the largest fish, and it can reach up to how many meters long? The smallest known shark, the spiny dwarf lantern shark, is about how many centimeters long? So one is meters long, one is huge, and one is super tiny. They're both sharks. Do you know the answer to this one? So yes, the whale shark, we were explaining, is the biggest one. The longest one ever measured was 18 meters long. That's longer than about 4 cars parked end to end. So that's big, isn't it? It's this whale-sized shark, although it's a fish. The tiniest shark is your spiny dwarf lantern shark, and he only gets to be about 20 centimeters long. Ah, isn't that so cute? The next shark trivia question is, if a shark loses its teeth, it can regrow new ones. Pretty cool. I wish I could do that. But some sharks can regrow an entire row of teeth in how many days? How long do you think it takes sharks for its new teeth to come forward and replace the missing ones? Yeah, if a shark loses its teeth, it can regrow an entire row in 10 days, less than 2 weeks. That's fantastic. Sharks are amazing. You can see in the picture, their rows of teeth are stacked behind each other. So as one tooth might fall out, a new one grows and replaces it into the same position. Very cool. The next shark trivia question is, unlike most fish, sharks can only swim in what direction? Have you ever thought about this before? Most sharks or sharks actually, all sharks can only swim in a forward direction. Look at the picture of those sharks' fins. He can't flap his fins from side to side and scull them like this to move backwards and forwards like we see some fish doing. No, sharks can only move in a forward direction. And now it is quiz time. So question number 1 is, what is a shark's skeleton made of? Is it cartilage, bone, or keratin? That's right. The answer is cartilage, just like in your ears and in your nose. Question number 2. How many species of sharks are there in the world? Is it 50, 500, or 5,000? Do you remember? Yep, that's right. 500 species of sharks occur on planet Earth. Question number 3 is, what is the largest predatory fish in the world? Is it the whale shark, the tiger shark, or the great white shark? Yes, that's right. It is the great white shark. Although the whale shark is the largest fish in the world, it is not a predator because it is a filter feeder. The next question is, what do sharks sense with their ampullae of Lorenzini, the gel-filled pits on their snout? Is it blood in the water? Do they sense earthquakes? Or do they sense electrical impulses? Yes, they sense the electrical impulses from their prey's muscles and heartbeat, helping them to find their prey either in the dark, under the sand, or when the water is murky. On average, how many people die from being bitten by a shark every year? Is it 5, 20, 50, or do 500 people die from shark attacks every year? That's right, it's a super low 5 on average every year. The chances of being killed by a shark is almost impossible. Thank you guys for joining me for this lesson on sharks. I'll see you on the next lesson, all about marine mammals.